Hey, I'm Megan. I'm going to show you 5 of Lily Jade's most popular diaper bags on the body. I have each of these bags packed up with the same amount of stuff. That way what you're seeing is really accurate to how they would pack up in real life. To keep in mind when you're thinking about how these bags would look on you, I am 5'5". I'm also in my second trimester of pregnancy and currently about like 160 pounds. So hopefully that helps you when you're thinking about if you're taller or shorter than I am, how these bags might look on you. So let's get started with Lily Jade's largest diaper bag. This is the Meggan in Brandy. Next we have the Elizabeth in Galena and Gold Hardware. The Rosie in black. So pretty. This is the Shaylee in Camel. And last up, this is the Madeline in red leather. Thanks for checking these bags out. Bye!